Hello. This is a Olympiad question. The question is in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 8 centimeter, AC is equal to 14 centimeter, angle B is 2x and angle C is x. Find the area of the triangle. So this is the figure given. So angle B, this AB is 8 centimeters, AC is 14 centimeter, angle B is 2x and angle C is x. So now let us see how to solve it. The solution. So this is a figure. Now in this figure, what we do is first we try to draw AD equal to AB. We want to draw from a line AD which is equal to AB. That means it is going to be equal to 8 centimeters. So let us draw one line. So this is AD. Okay. And so AD, so in triangle ADB, AB is equal to AD. So in this triangle ADB, AB is equal to AD, which is equal to 8 centimeters. Therefore, that's why I shown you equal signs. Both are equal. Why? We have drawn it by construction, it is equal. Next. So because these two sides are equal, the angle opposite them should be equal. So this angle is given as 2x. Therefore, this should also be 2x. Why? Angles opposite equal sides are equal. So angle B and angle D both are equal to 2x. So this is your 2x. Okay. Now, draw AE perpendicular to BC. Now we'll draw one line perpendicular. So this is your perpendicular line. Name it as E, and that is perpendicular there. So this is I show you with 90 degrees angle. Okay. And let this name it as H. H. So this is the height of the triangle. Now, let us consider this particular triangle. That is AEB. So that is in an isosceles triangle, the perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite base divides the base into two equal parts. That means this perpendicular, this is an isosceles triangle. In this isosceles triangle, if you draw a perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite base, it divides it into two equal parts. That means BE and ED both will be equal. Say let us it is equal to A. So therefore BE is equal to ED is equal to A. Let us say it is equal to A. So let us write it as A here. Both is A, this is also A. Okay? Now consider this particular triangle AEB. AEB. I have marked it with green color, so you will come to know that this is a triangle we are under consideration. So this is a right angle. Because this is a right angle and therefore this is a right angle triangle. So because it's a right angle triangle, we apply Pythagoras theorem here. So when you in triangle ABE, so this is the hypotenuse and this is the two perpendicular sides. So that means AE square plus BE square is equal to AB square. Why? By Pythagoras theorem. Let's put the values. AE is H and BE is A. So let me put the values, and AB is 8. So substituting the values, we get H square plus A square is equal to 8 square. 8 square is how much? 64. So 8 square minus A square is H square. So H square is 8 square minus, so let us number this as the first equation. Okay? Now further we continue with the solution. So see, this is the figure which we have got, which we have drawn as this. Now let us consider this particular triangle. When you consider this triangle, you see here in triangle ADC, that is ADC, when I am considering this triangle, ADB, this particular angle is an exterior angle to this particular triangle. So this exterior angle ADB is equal to DAC, that is this angle, plus angle DCA. That means this exterior angle is equal to this angle plus this angle. Okay. Why? The reason is an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Now let's put what all the values we have got. ADB is 2x. So let us write it as 2x. DAC we do not know, and DCA is x. DCA is x. So when you do this, it becomes DCA equal to 2x minus x. That means this is also x. So we get this is x and these two both are equal. These two sides are equal. That means this is 8 we know, because this was equal to this is 8. So this should be 8 means this is also 8. Angles opposite equal sides are equal. So these two both angles are x. DAC and DCA both are x, and therefore in triangle this AD must be equal to DC, which is also equal to 8, because this is equal to 8. These two are equal, 8, 8. And this angles are equal. Therefore, this angle should also be equal to this. Therefore, this should is also is 8 centimeters. So, sides opposite equal angles are equal. That is the reason. Now, in triangle AEC, I am considering AEC, this full triangle. When you consider this full triangle, again, this is a right angle triangle, and this is the hypotenuse. So, we consider AE square plus EC square is equal to AC square. AE square plus EC square is equal to AC square. AE is H, and EC is A plus 8, and AC is 14. So put the values. H square plus 8 plus A whole square plus 14 square. Now H we have just calculated as H what it was, H we have calculated as, this is by Pythagoras theorem. And what is the value of H? H we have calculated as 8 square minus A square from equation 1. So H is equal to 8 square minus A square. And here I am using A plus B whole square identity. A square plus B square plus 2AB. And 14 square is 196. So A square and this A square, they both cancel. And what is left here? 8 square plus 8 square. So what is 8 square is 64. This is also 64. 2 8 is 16A is equal to 196. 64 plus 64 is 128 plus 16A is equal to 196. Let's take 128 this side. It becomes 16A is equal to 196 minus 128. Subtract them, you will get 16A is equal to 68. Bring this down and divide it. It will become A is equal to 68 upon 16. I am cutting by 4 table. 4 4s are 16. 4 17s are 28. Okay, 68. So A is equal to 17 upon 4. Further. So this is a triangle. So now you got A. Now H is equal to 8 square minus A square. From equation 1 we got. And H is equal to 8 square minus A we have just calculated as 17 upon 4 whole square. So let's take the squares. 8 square is 64, 17 square is 289, and 4 square is 16. Let's take the LCM. When you take LCM, it will be 16 into 4. So 16 into 64 is 1024 minus 289 upon 16. Subtract it, you'll get 735 upon 16. H square is 735 upon 16. So H should be the square root of this. So H is equal to square root of 735 upon square root of 16. 735 is not a perfect square, so we'll leave it as it is. 16 square, root of 16 is 4. So H is equal to root 735 upon 4. Okay, now we got the height and we have the value of A. So now let's try to find the area of the triangle. Area of triangle is half base into height. What is the base here? Base is BC. And height is AE. So base is half into BC into AE, which is equal to half BC. 8 plus A plus A means 8 plus 2A. So base is 8 plus 2A into height H we are calculated as 7 root 735 by 4. Now I'll open the, say it be, A value is 17 upon 4, which I got. So put it here. Now let's cut by 2 table. Now correct, you'll get 2 here. So it has become 17 upon 2. 8 plus 17 upon 2. 8 plus 17 upon 2 into 735 upon 4. Let's take LCM here again. So when you take LCM, it is 8 to the 16 plus 17 upon 2 into root. So 16 plus 17 is 33. So 1 upon 2 into 33 upon 2 into root 735 upon 4. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 16. It will be 33 and 735 can be written as 49 into 15. 49 into 15 upon 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Now 49 is a perfect square root. So square root of 49 is 7. So it will be 33 into 7. 33 into 7 root 15. 33 into 7 is 231 root 15 upon 16. This is the area of the triangle ABC. So this was your geometrical method using the fundamental basic rules, and we have calculated the area of the triangle. Now let me show you one more method, which is the trigonometric method. Now let us see how the trigonometry works out. So the second method is the trigonometric method. So in this method, so this is a figure given. So here we are using a concept. Triangle in triangle, this is a triangle we got ABC. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. It is the angle sum property. So that is sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. Now we know the values. Angle A do not know, so write it as angle A. B is 2x, C is x is equal to 180 degrees. So 2x plus x is 3x. So angle A plus 3x is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is equal to 180 minus 3x. So this particular angle is 180 minus 3x. Let us mark it. This is angle which is 180 minus 3x. Okay. Now, see here, this is a concept. Area of a triangle is given by A into B into the angle between them. That means the angle should be between the sides. Angle should be included between the sides under consideration. So that means if area of a triangle is half into A into B into sine of the angle. Angle is between the sides under consideration. Include side angle included between the sides. So we use that concept here. So if you see here, these are the two sides. So this is your A, this is your B, and the angle is between these two sides. So if you use this rule, so let us see here, it is half into a.b. sine theta. So A is 8 and B is 14. So let's put it, and sine theta is 180 minus 3x. So half into 8 into 14 into sine 180 minus 3x. Cut this to 8. We're cutting it 4. 14 4 is 56. It is 56 sine 180 minus 3x. 180 minus 3x. Sine 180 minus 3x is sine x or sine theta. Sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. So here theta is 3x. So it will just be 56 sine 3x. Now 3x can be written as, so let this be your first equation. Now see, this is a figure. There we use something called a sine rule. In this sine rule, the side opposite angle A is A, side opposite angle B is B, and the side opposite angle C is C. If this is the case, then the sine rule is given by A into sine of A upon sine of A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C. We use this concept here. Using this concept, if you see here, so here what are we having? 14 and 2x, 8 and x, opposite angles. So it will be, let's write it, 14 upon sine 2x plus 14, opposite angle is sine 2x. and 8 upon sine x. Okay. Now sine 2x. Sine 2x can be written as 2 sine x cos x equal to 8 upon sine x. This term, take it this side and multiply. It will become 14 is equal to 8 into 2 sine x cos x. Sine x can be cancelled. So let's cancel it. What is left? So 8 to the 16. 16, well, let's bring it below this. So it becomes 8, 14 upon 16 is equal to cos x. That is the divided by 2 table. When I divide by 2, it will be 2 sevens are and 2 eights are. So it is cos theta is 7 upon 8. Cos theta is 7 upon 8. This is the value here. Now we will use basic identity sine square theta plus cos square. Cos square theta is equal to x is equal to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal x is equal to 1. So let's put the value of sine value. So sine is equal to 7 upon 8 square is equal to 1. Square it, we'll get 1 minus 49 upon 64. Take LCM and subtract, it is 64 minus 49 upon 64. Subtracting it, you will get it as 15 upon 64. So sine of x will be square root of 15 upon 64. Square root of 15 is not a perfect square, so it remains inside the root sign. Square root of 64 is 8. So sine of x is equal to root 15 upon 8. Now, let's go back to finding the area of triangle. Area of triangle is sine is equal to 56 sine 3x, which we got it from equation 1. So, it will be sine, the area is equal to 15. Sine 3x can be written as 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. This is an identity. Sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Now sine is here, you have a sine, let us take out one sine common. You take out one sine common, so it will become only 3 here minus 4 sine square x. Sine x value you have found it. So let's put the value here. So 56 into root 15 upon 8 into 3 minus 4 into root 15 upon 8 whole square. That is 56 into root 15 upon 8 into 3 minus square root of 15 and square. So root and square will cancel. It will be only 15. And square of 8 is 8 8 is 64. So you got it this way. So we can reduce this. So 4 table we cut it. If you cut by 4 table, it will be 16. 16 4 is 64. Now that means this is 15 upon 16. So it is 16 3 the LCM. 16 3 is a 48. 48 minus 15 upon 16. Subtract it, you will get 33 upon 16. Okay. Now, here this could be cut because it goes in 8 table. So let us cut it. Cut it, it goes 7 times. So 33, what is that? 33 into 7 upon 16. 33 into 7 upon root 15 upon 16. 33 into 7 is root is equal to 231 root 15 upon 16. So this is the value. So if you see, and either of the methods, we got the same answer. Therefore, we say that this is the answer. What you get is same, irrespective of which method you are adapting. The area of triangle does not change. So if you've understood the thing, please subscribe for the to this channel. My channel is Easy Learning, and also press the like and icon button. Thank you.